Hello again. As we head towards the end of this working week, the weather is going to turn more unsettled with some rain and also windy conditions, especially on Friday. For some of us, it's half term, so if you're staying where you are or heading off somewhere else, don't forget you can find out what the weather's going to be like where you are or where you're going on our BBC weather app. Now today what we've got is a weather front which is sinking south. It's a cold front, and as it bumps into high pressure further south, it's going to weaken. So we've got some sunshine ahead of it. Here's the weather front producing the cloud and the rain, weakening all the time as it sinks southwards. And then on the other side of it, we see a return to some sunshine, but some blustery showers across the northwest of Scotland. And by the end of the afternoon, we'll just be starting to see the first signs of our next system coming in from the Atlantic. Now, for most of us, it's not going to be windy. The gustiest winds will be across the far northwest of Scotland, and these are our temperatures, 9 to about 14 degrees, so not as high as the 16.4 we saw yesterday in West Wales. Through this evening, we say goodbye to this weather front, mostly just a band of cloud by then, and then this next system coming in from the Atlantic introduces all this cloud, some rain, most of which will be light, and also some hill and coastal fog. The clearest skies will be in the north of Scotland, and this is where we will have the lowest temperatures. So that's how we start tomorrow. On a murky note, the rain continuing to push away into the North Sea, leaving some dankness behind, but we will see some holes develop in that cloud, especially in the shelter to the east of some of the hills. It will be breezy in the south of England, but still hanging on to the sunshine in the far north of Scotland, with our next weather system coming in from the Atlantic. Now that system is going to bring in some rain as it does so on Thursday into Friday, but a developing area of low pressure, a rapidly developing area, will bring in some rain sinking southwards as it bumps into the high pressure further south. It will weaken, there'll be a fair bit of cloud around. Behind it we've got some cooler conditions, so we will see some showers, and some of those will be wintry and the temperatures will be that bit lower. But the main feature of the weather on Friday looks very much like it's going to be the wind. We're looking at gales, even severe gales, especially across the north and west of Scotland, but eastern Scotland and northeast England could have gusts up to 70 miles an hour.